What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And on today's video, first of all, I will show you how we caught this movement to the downside. And as you can see, we caught it to the tick. I drew this line at this very point on October the 20th. And I showed you that this asset most likely should have this type of price action. And it has it. And you can prove my words by watching my previous video. And in my technical analysis, I will show you how I did it. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you what news might be the catalyst for this asset for upcoming week. And at the end of this video, I will show you more tips and tricks from the technical standpoint that might help us to win even more with these assets. So let's start with the price chart. As I already mentioned, I made my previous video right here on October the 20th. And at this very point, I've told you that this asset doesn't have a proper subdivision on this movement to the downside, during which it lost about 17% of its value. And my main assumption, because of this range of support that I drew also back in the days, and it is the price action, the key points for the price action for last several months. And I've told you that we might see a bounce and then we have to potentially break this range of support and retest the lower border of this channel. And I identified this channel by connecting these two tops and projected as a parallel line to these bottoms. And so far this asset respect pretty good this channel, and most likely we might see the next bull rally, at least medium-term bull run for this asset. And let me show you some news from the fundamental standpoint. On October 27th, you can find this article on Seeking Alpha that is titled "Why SOFI Technologies Could Rally After Q3 Earnings Upgrade." And let me quote you just summary. SOFI Technologies is expected to have a strong earnings report for Q3 2023, potentially leading to a profit beat and momentum for the stock. The fintech's member growth momentum is likely to have continued in Q3, and the resumption of student loan payments presents an opportunity for profit growth. SOFI Technologies may raise its guidance for 2023, further boosting investor sentiment and potential for stock price growth. And guys, let me show you on top of this news, this tiny icon, and if you click on it, you can see that 10 hours ago, Dow Jones Newswires wrote this news, and it says, SOFI Technologies seen reporting strong deposit growth in Q3, market talk. SOFI Technologies' upcoming earnings due October the 30th will most likely come with strong deposit, member and personal loan origination growth, JP Morgan analysts say in a research note. It wouldn't be surprising if the financial technology company extends its streak of a sequential EBITDA growth, either analysts say. We think shares are poised for a rally on the point on EBITDA upside, encouraging commentary around profitability and solid key performance indicator strengths, analysts add. The key watch items in the Q3 include student loan refinance demand, fair value discount rate assumptions, credit outperformance, and the path to profitability. And I have to say that I agree with this statement because let me show you first of all the list of their institutional investors. And according to this data, the latest data, we have more and more buys of SOFI stock by different companies. And green rows, as you can see, indicate that it is completely new positions. Red rows indicate that these positions were closed. And we have closed bear position. As you can see, it was a put option. It was completely closed, but they also closed their long position. So the total sentiment, according to this data, is cautiously bullish. But you have to keep in mind that this filing date is not the real execution date of these deals. It is just a filing date. And the real execution date of these deals is at least 45 days prior to this date. And that is why this information has quite substantial delay, and you have to keep this in mind. On top of that, let me show you that consensus analyst price target is $8.97, which implies about almost 30% of upside potential. But if you take a look right here, the latest updates from UBS Group or from Kifi, Bruyette and Woods or even from Wheatbush are not so bullish. As you can see, it is just $7, $7.5. And at the time when these updates were made, it was a downside potential of 3.5 and 8.2%. But from our current range, it is an upside potential. Not the biggest one, but still, it is an upside potential of about, let's say, up to 5%. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let me show you this latest movement in details. And we know that the ending wave usually should have a 5-wave structure. And we have for these 5 waves, first, second, third, fourth and fifth. And the latest wave again should have 5-wave structure in it. And it is quite tricky to make a proper breakdown on hourly time frame, and I don't want to dig deeper inside this wave alone. That is why we still have a possibility to see a bull run to the upside that should retest at least these 2 levels of about $8 and even a bit higher. But we also have a possibility to see another potential retracement on the first hours of today's trading session, where you can again accumulate your position with more substantial upside potential. But guys, don't get me wrong, for now we still have quite harsh movement to the downside, and as long as this asset doesn't break these previous swing highs, we cannot confirm the uptrend on a medium-term perspective. But again, let me show you quite interesting detail from the bull standpoint. If we take a look on a bigger picture, and if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from its swing low to this swing high, and this, as you can see, we hit exactly golden pocket range. We have quite tiny bounce to the downside, and it is the most concerning part. But in general, if the movement to the upside will break this previous swing high, and the volume confirms this movement, definitely it will be a sign that on the retracement you will be able to re-enter your long position with anticipation of getting, let's say, of earning about 15 up to 16 or maybe 17% of potential profit. But so far we have to wait a little bit, at least for the end of today's Friday session. And if the volume will confirm this trend to the upside, definitely it might be quite a good short-term trade if you want to gain these profits. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.